Go? Okay. So, I'm going to try to do this one-handedly.
Usually we have two people.
Alright. I got Holly in the towel. The scruff of the neck is where their mommies hold them. This actually keeps them calm, but more importantly, if she decides to try to take a swat at me, my hand is back here, so she's not going to get me. Alright, love? I'm going to have her on her side. You just gently take and put her on the side. We put her tail through, but this is one of those pet diapers, and you're not going to have to worry about that because when I get new Huggies, I'm going to show you what I do. The Huggies, you're not going to have to worry about the tail because I have a little trick. Now with one hand, I'm just going to cover her like this and use this arm. With this one hand, I'm going to do one side, and then I could adjust it later, but just to get it on. Hello! Cats go in many, many directions, and that's basically what she does. Then I'm going to turn her over very gently and put a towel over her. Hold up. So this basically is the part where you're going to wish you had a team. I'm going to make it easier by not using these diapers. We're going to get more Huggies. Yeah, Sophie thinks it's funny. No, honey. Stay down. Cats are wiry. Now I'm holding her on my elbow here, and all I want to do, honey, is connect this here, and then pull your little diaper up because she got the other foot out. Okay. All right, baby.